Unbounded Potential Go Beyond Global Promotions presents a quick user demo for Aquaware 3.1. Hey everyone, just wanted to put together a short video to show just how simple and easy the software is to use. I know when I first heard software to program water, I kind of didn't really get how that would work. So I thought a video would help people to understand that it's just really simple and easy and kind of really brilliant. So here we go with the tutorial. The first thing we want to note is I've already downloaded and installed the software. So this is the screen that comes up when you open it. And this screen actually is everything that you need. It doesn't go anywhere else. So we're going to start out by noticing that we're in automatic mode, and that's what we want. If it was accidentally set to something else, you could change it up here to automatic. And I'm not going to go through all the buttons and everything because this is just a quick demonstration of the actual process. So the next thing we want to note is that our power level down here on the right is currently set at 0. Well, it won't run if it's set to 0, so we're going to have to move that. We're going to set that for 20%. It's recommended to start out between 20 and 25% to prevent any detox symptoms, and that would be headaches or flu-like symptoms that can happen when you start clearing stuff from your body too quickly. So we're going to set that for 20%, and we're going to go up and we're going to start the process. And the first thing that we do is called water preparation. And what that does is it actually clears out any old energies and any old programming from the water so that when we go to program it, it will receive the new programming without any overlay or any issues that it already currently may have. So we're going to go ahead and click the water preparation button and set our attention. I have a glass of water next to me, so I'm going to set my attention on that water, and I don't have to stare at it. I can just know that this is working, and it's clearing out any of the old energies and any of the old programming that it may have picked up along its way to me. And I'm also going to honor that water, and I'm going to say, I honor the space in which you exist. And there, that takes about 22 seconds, I think, and then it's done. So my water is all cleared out and all the old energies are gone, all the old programming is gone. And now I can go ahead and I'm going to go to the next step, which is user preparation. It kind of does the same thing for the user, which in this case is me. And it just runs through, and as it cycles, it's actually clearing out any blocks or any subconscious beliefs that I have about this working, and it makes me more open and able to receive the benefits of the programmed water. So we're going to let that run. It's an optional step, so if you feel that you're pretty clear and open to receive, you can skip it. And I actually like to run it because it kind of makes me feel lighter, even just that step. So as we get to that, we're going to go ahead, and now we're going to go ahead and program our water. So as you can see across the top of this menu, which there's 4 different intent type categories, and then they have subcategories in there. You notice in the first one you can pick bathing and showering. That's a different cycle, and it runs like for 10 minutes. And you would pick one of those and set it to run before you get in the shower, and you just think about the water in the shower or in the bathtub, and you just let it run and you go take your shower or your bath. And that's just, again, a different cycle, and you don't have to use water prep with that one. So but on to what we're doing. Intent types. I have an ongoing issue with sinus congestion, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to program this water to help with that. And I know it's listed under conditions, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to scroll down. And currently there's over 500 different intent types in all these categories. So I'm going to look, and they're adding more all the time. So if you can't find what you're looking for, chances are it'll be there soon. Sinus congestion is right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And again, put my attention on the water sitting next to me and know that it's receiving all the programming that it needs to help with this condition. And again, I'm going to honor the water. I'm going to say thank you for holding the space for healing this sinus congestion. And I just know that it's receiving every other programming that it needs to help that. Okay, that cycle is complete. And at that point, we're done. I'm going to go ahead and drink the water and you know, maybe I'll program another glass or not. Or there's just so many different options. It's kind of fun to play with, and you kind of get to the point where you sit and you're like, I'm going to drink water all day. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy Aquaware 3.1. It's amazing stuff.